Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by fixing the environment and the first actions. Sit upright at a desk and position bright, cool light so your eyes stay alert. Once seated, start a focused block, 25 to 50 minutes, so you have a clear end time. Set a visible timer and take a short 5 to 15-minute break after the block. If you need a stimulant, take 50 to 100 milligrams of caffeine right away. Make sure it's not too late in the day. Once the session is underway, you shift to active strategies that keep sleep off. Alternate between active recall and problem solving every block to engage different brain systems, and avoid passive reading for long stretches. Every 20 to 30 minutes, get up for 30 to 60 seconds. Stand, stretch, or walk to reset circulation and attention. Make sure to sip 200 to 300 milliliters of water. You end the session by consolidating gains and preparing to stop. Spend 5 minutes reviewing key points and jot a 2-step plan for the next session so your brain can rest. Once done, start winding down. Lower lights and cut screens 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime to preserve sleep pressure. If you're still drowsy while studying, try a controlled 10 to 20-minute nap or revise your nightly routine to ensure a consistent earlier sleep time. That usually resolves persistent sleepiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.